Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo's Thinkpad T14s and Yoga Slim 14 laptops. So friend, Lenovo is one of the first non-reference laptop to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon S processor and friendly image circulating on X Revealer sleek and stylish design with a 14-inch and 14.5-inch display in case in a slim and portable form factor. Qualcomm has previously showcased eye-catching demo reference system in striking red color scheme, but Lenovo's Yoga Slim 7 in 2024 marks the first time a significant laptop manufacturer with actual product image incorporating the Snapdragon 8 chip and friend. Yoga Slim 7 in 2024 is a part of Lenovo's popular slim laptop lineup, including models powered by Intel and AMD processor. The latest Gen 8 Initial feature option for AMD Ryzen 7040 series and Intel 13th generation Core i and Core Ultra series CPUs, and one notable addition to the Snapdragon X powered model is the inclusion of a dedicated Microsoft Copilot button. Qualcomm has heavily touted the Snapdragon X neural processing unit performance and its ability to directly accelerate various AI and machine learning algorithms on the device. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.